Welcome to our exploration of cognitive shifting, an executive function that plays a pivotal role in how we navigate life's challenges and achieve our goals. But what exactly is cognitive shifting? Shifting focus. Imagine you're working diligently on a project, but then it is lunchtime before you know it. You have a quick lunch and then go back to work on your project, only to be pulled away by a text message that comes in. This is cognitive shifting in action, our ability to shift our focus from one task to another seamlessly, adjusting perspectives. Cognitive shifting also allows us to adjust our viewpoints. When faced with a problem, if one approach doesn't lead to a solution, cognitive shifting empowers us to adopt a new perspective, opening the door to innovative strategies and solutions. Modifying actions. And it's not just about thoughts or focus. Cognitive shifting enables us to change our actions in response to new circumstances. If a plan isn't working, we can pivot, adjusting our behavior to better suit the situation at hand. The impact on goal achievement. So how does cognitive shifting facilitate goal achievement? It's about adaptability, adjusting to change, overcoming obstacles through creative problem solving, enhancing efficiency by juggling multiple tasks, and fostering personal growth and learning from each new experience. Cultivating resilience. Moreover, cognitive shifting is key to resilience. Goals rarely follow a straight path, setbacks are common. Through cognitive shifting, we can recalibrate our strategies, helping us stay the course towards our ambitions, no matter the hurdles. Cognitive shifting is more than just a cognitive skill. It's a fundamental aspect of human adaptability, enabling us to navigate the complexities of life and work towards our goals with flexibility, creativity, and resilience.